Hi, my name is Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Today I'm going to show you how to start a fire with these feminine hygiene products called the Tampon. It's possible to use a tampon as a fire starter. Now men, you're probably not carrying these, but maybe the lady in your crew might have one, who knows, right? But in a pinch, these are actually really handy fire starters. And I'm going to show you how to use a tampon and flint and steel here. Just a little strike with some sparks. And I'll show you how to get a fire started with a tampon. So we all know what these are generally used for, but I'm going to show you a life-saving purpose for these products. So you just simply tear open the package. There you go, it's got some string and some applicator stuff. But really what we're after, not the applicator, is this cotton stuff inside. This is actually, though highly absorbent, it is also very flammable if you do a few things to it. Now, for guys, this is probably really awkward because we certainly don't generally handle these products unless you're happening to purchase one for your female friend. But as spouse or girlfriend or sister or cousin or whoever, but if you lay them out well and spread them out, and you can even have a fuse on this bad boy, you shred this thing out and just keep shredding, and the more you fuzz it, the more effective it'll be. If it's too bunched up, it won't burn correctly. But you just keep going, And the more you open it, the bigger and the more intense flame you'll get. So you have a more likelihood of starting an effective fire. Now, as you can see, this thing actually turns into quite the ball of fuzz, and because it's cotton, it actually works very, very well. Okay, so do you think that'll start on fire? Let's find out. So what I do is, instead of just trying to put one spark into it because it's a little breezy here, what I'm going to do is go really, really crazy here. So all I do is jam this in here. Woohoo! Fire! Boom! And that's a good long flame. Check that out, baby. A flaming tampon. Hopefully YouTube doesn't delete me here, but it's not the purpose to be titillating at all. But in an emergency situation, that tampon can save your life. Check out how long that burns. That's amazing. And it's actually breezy here and it's still burning. Kind of smells bad, but there you go. Now if I would have shredded the core, it would have actually burned even longer. So there you go, a still burning tampon. So just to show you that in an emergency situation, being a little resourceful, and if you have anything that can create a spark or a flame, you can actually get a tampon to save your life. My name's Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Sometimes we do some odd things, but in a survival situation, it's not about what's delicate or, oh, that's kind of awkward. The goal is to survive and get home. Please like and comment on my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.